Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you Xtrons multimedia Android head unit. As you see, it is broken and I need to change this. Here is the radio. I'm going to go ahead and connect. This is GPS antenna, 4G antenna. Radio antenna. This is gonna go. CANbus is gonna go there. Ten pin. And 6 is gonna go there. And this will go here. This cable is coming from CANbus, from there to here. Look at the colors. See, now you can take it out if you have something like this, and then we're gonna go ahead and remove the radio. There are 4 screws. We have these, and take it out, and the other one, that one. That's it. Here is the radio. These are the cables. Let me take it out. 4 of them. Let's take a closer look. I will go ahead and put this first and then screw it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the antennas at the top. That way it's gonna get the signal well. The top. This is 4G antenna. This is 4G antenna. It's like somewhere there. Speaker. Somewhere. Okay, this is for the white one, radio. And you look at the main USB one. This is not compatible with this. And I'm just gonna go ahead and break some areas, and then we will go ahead and fit it. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and break this area only. This is gonna fit. Now it fits. I will go ahead and put this one there also. And close it. All right, let me go ahead and test it. It seems working. As you see, the CANbus is also working, but and then the buttons are working. What about here? Yes. I'm gonna go ahead and test Apple CarPlay. As you see, CANbus is working, and AC is working right there. I can turn it off, and then let's try to do the CarPlay. CarPlay, Xtrons, pair, allow. Now, as you see, Apple CarPlay is right there. Alright, the other thing you need to do is for the backup camera. This is cam in, and this is also camera in. You need to connect with each other. This is coming from here, and the other one is coming from there. If you're not gonna use these SIM cards, you don't need to put that. If you're not gonna use another USB, you don't need to use that, because original one is working. You don't need that. And the other thing is you need to break it. I already showed it to you and put it there. And this is the main harness. And let me go ahead and see. If I do the rear gear, as you see, it's working. When you turn to the left or to the right, it's working. Finally. Take this out. Okay, when you look at the AC option, you can also change it on the screen. You can also turn it off. Let's look at the backup camera. As you see, it works fine. Let me try to use it. Search gas station calls.
Turn right.
As you see, there is no problem with Apple CarPlay.
Turn left. Then at the roundabout, take the third exit onto CANbus Road. At the roundabout, take the third exit onto CANbus Road. In half a mile.
And radio is working well. And video, you can put the USB and watch it, but there is nothing to watch right now. Bluetooth music, AV in, and display, smart bass, balance, delay, filter, loudness, equalizer. Car info, you can change the car type there. You can change the language, unit, distance, temperature, consumption, and pressure. You can change all of those. I just want to show you how it's gonna be integrated with the small screen. When you change kPa, kilopascal, and that's also changing, and psi, it's also changing. Door lock set, you can see all the settings. Safety assistant, rain sensing, auto wipers, contacts, messaging, settings, Play Store, car ladder, Google Maps, YouTube, gallery, topic switch, voice search, Google app installer, file manager, GPS, and torque, common, sleep mode, on video. Okay, reversing assisting line, disable video in motion. We're gonna turn it off and you can watch YouTube. Reversing warning line, off. Let's see. Okay, there is only one dynamic line, not two. If you want it all, you can turn on one. I'm gonna go ahead and connect this to internet, and then we're gonna check YouTube. Okay, now I connected to the internet, and then let's look at YouTube. Now you can see YouTube, and let's put copyright free music. Skip that. Okay. You can continue listening. Also, you can change the wallpapers, widgets, page animation. It has OBD check. It's gonna check if there's fault at the car. Let's go ahead and change the boot logo. Car infotainment, about device, in 8878. Okay, boot logo. You want to change the UI, you can change as well. Here is the new theme. I like this one better. Thank you so much for watching. See you next video.